Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to reset the consumables and maintenance timers on MOVA 1000. In order to do it, click on three dots in top right corner and you'll find consumables and maintenance. You need to maintain three things: blades on the robot, there's a video on how to replace them, the cleaning brush, and the robot itself has to be cleaned. It'll give you a notification about it, but here you can also check how much percent you have left. On the example of blades, you have 1000 hours left if they haven't yet been used. And to reset the timer, you need to click on replace the blades, just like that, and it'll reset it. So it'll still then it'll start showing you 100% remaining. Remember to only do it once you have replaced the consumables, otherwise they just won't work properly if you don't replace them. The robot may not let you begin a task if one of the consumables or the robot maintenance is at 0%. You should also, of course, clean the robot. It shows you here that you should do blades, wheels, LiDAR sensor, and charging contacts. It's recommended to check the robot every 60 hours or sooner. Clean the LiDAR sensor with a cloth and clean blades and wheels with running water, but not high pressure water. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.